The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is an anticipated addition to DJI's line of portable, stabilized cameras, featuring several upgrades over its predecessors. Here are the key details about its specifications, features, and price based on available information. Specifications. Sensor. 1-inch CMOS sensor for enhanced image quality, capable of better low-light performance. Lens. 20mm wide-angle lens with an f/2.0 aperture, suitable for a variety of shooting conditions. Stabilization. 3-axis mechanical gimbal for ultra-smooth video footage. Video capabilities. 4K video at up to 120 frames per second for stunning clarity. Slow motion recording up to 240 frames per second in lower resolutions like 1080p. Photography. Supports RAW and JPEG formats with a resolution of 9.4 MP. Display. A 2-inch touchscreen LCD with 314 by 556 resolution, designed for easy operation and monitoring. Connectivity. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. USB-C for fast data transfer and compatibility with the DJI MIMO app for Android and iOS. Battery life. 2.6 hours per charge with a 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, charging via USB in approximately 30 minutes. Storage. MicroSD cards support up to 512 GB, UHS 2 compatible. Key features. ActiveTrack 7.0. Advanced subject tracking for smooth, automated focusing. Smart shooting modes. Includes high-definition panoramas and interval recording with customizable settings. Improved autofocus. Enhanced accuracy with eye tracking and phase detection. Accessories. A variety of new add-ons like a waterproof case, ND filters, and creator combo options for professional users. Enhanced screen quality. The new screen is brighter and easier to use even in direct sunlight. Anticipated pricing and release. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to release in December 2024, with a projected price of $620 to $699 for the base model,